Welcome to Trading Tricks for Indices YouTube channel. This video is about how to benefit from swing high and swing lows and get advantage with these levels in the day trading. And let's get into the video. And our agenda for this video is what is the swing high and swing low, how to draw swing high and low in the daily time frame. It's a psychology behind it, and it will be explained by the examples, and how to trade them in the day trading. All these points will be known to you by the end of this video. If you want to know how to trade swing high and swing low, please watch this video. And now first let's get into the definition of swing high and swing lows, because definition gives you the clarity and the confidence in the live market to mark those levels. Without knowing definition of any, it would not long lasting with you. Let's understand the swing high and swing low with the help of the definition. A swing high is when price makes a low and is immediately followed by two consecutive higher lows. Likewise, a swing high is when price makes a high and is followed by two consecutive lower highs. Did you understand anything about these definitions? No, right? So I'm here to simplify these things for you. Let me explain this with an example. See here. With the definition, could you place any swing high and swing low in this chart? Think of it? No, right? Now, let's get into the video with much detail. Watch this clip for a while and I will explain it to you. Everybody knows about the swings, and if you compare this swing to the swing high and swing low in the charts, it would be very easy to understand. For example, these two persons are moving the swing from one place to another place from their starting point. See here, from one place to another place with their maximum effort they are moving the swing. So apply this to the charts. Now let's apply this to the charts. Now this is the starting point and the price made it pushes the price to this level, which is the low, and again it goes to its original location and moves in this direction. Now this is the swing low, this is the swing high. How I say that this is the swing high and swing low, I will explain this with the definition. Okay, a swing low is when price makes a low. A swing low is when the price makes a low and is immediately followed by two consecutive higher lows. What is meant by consecutive? Consecutive example is Monday and Tuesday are the consecutive days. Friday and Saturday are the consecutive days. Okay, I think you understand what is the meaning for consecutive. So this is the low which is making consecutive higher lows. This is the higher low and this is the higher low which is having two consecutive higher lows. So we consider this as the swing low. Likewise, a swing high when price makes a high and is followed by two consecutive lower highs. Swing high when a price makes a high and is followed by two consecutive higher lows. This is one of the higher low, another higher low. So this considered as swing high. I hope you guys understand what is swing high and swing low, how we mark these levels with the definition. Now let's get into this little bit deeper. First, let's understand what is the psychology of trading swing highs and swing lows and how we use them in the daily time frame, day trading with 5 minutes time frame. Now this is the example. For example, in summer there is a demand for coolers, refrigerators and air conditioners. Let's say last year the demand for them has increased by 40%. That means before last year it has 100 refrigerators or whatever it may be sold out throughout the area, throughout the business, and the last year has increased by 40%. That means 140 gadgets have purchased by the people. Now what is the psychology for this year? of the shopkeepers or the shop owners. Now this year there is an assumption that minimum 40% demand is there. Before summer arrives, all the showrooms buys those gadgets, starts to purchase those products, because there is going to be a 40% demand for the gadgets. This exact example applies to the markets. I will explain how. For example, this is the swing low with our definition. This is the swing low and this is the swing high. We are here. We mark these swing highs and swing lows in the daily time frame and wait to price come to the location. For example, this is the swing low. The price has came here and made a bullish candle here, and the price goes in this direction. Now there are so many doubts to you. I'll explain with the help of examples. Now let's get into the charts. Okay, let's get into the charts and see. This is the Reliance chart, and I want to take you to the daily time frame where we can mark swing highs and swing lows. How we can use them in the daily time frame, I will tell you. Now let's check where are the swing highs and swing lows here. Yeah, here is the swing high and the swing low. Now this is the swing low here. Let's mark. There is a lot of consolidation here. Let's mark here and check how we can use this in our daily time frames. Okay. I will. Okay. Let's mark this with a horizontal line so that we can analysis in the live market. See, this is the swing low and this is the swing high. We don't know at this point of time whether the prices are going below it or it takes the support, right? You don't know at this point of time on that day whether it holds or not, but it is a strong support here. This is your view. Now I am telling you how to use this swing lows and swing highs in your daily time frame. Now let's go to Monday 30th Jan 2023 5-minute time frame to use this swing low in our day trading. Now let's go to the 5-minute time frame and check it. 30th Jan 2023, 30th Jan 2023. Okay, where is it? 30th Jan. Yeah, it is showing here. See, this is the swing low we have marked. How beautifully the price took the support with this swing low. Now how we can use this with the CPR pivot points? The beauty of the day trading will be discussed in this video. See here, this is the support S1 and the previous day low, which is taking support from the swing low also. This is the power of confluence, where you are having two daily pivots and one major support, which is a swing low here. So this is the power of confluence, and one more additional confidence is added to your trade. If this links with your this matches to your pre-market analysis, you can take the trade. For example, after this close of this candle, you know that this is going to be a good risk reward trade. So if you enter here and put your stop loss below this, or put your stop loss below this swing low, because there are two supports over here, which is the swing low and the previous day low. You can put the stop loss at this area. You can put the stop loss here and you can take the target here. Okay, 1:2 risk reward is sure. Like this way you can use swing lows and swing highs to benefit the 5-minute time frame day trading. Hope you guys understand the concept of swing highs and swing lows. If you feel like this is a valuable content, and if you want to learn more about such supports, resistances, and different kinds of indicators, good stuff to do, so you can watch my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.